All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So right now, there's not a lot of options and cases for the MotoGPower, but in fact, UAG does have a case, and it's the Scout Series. And then there's also another case, but the Scout Series, I actually got this from Best Buy for $15.99 with a code 20% off. So, I guess I'll try to remember to put that code in, and I'll make a comment with that code so you can get it if you want to get it. But, this is not very many options for this phone, and I don't need very many options. This is the only case that I plan on buying for this phone. I got this for $15.99. It's $30 through UAG, but Best Buy has it for $19, and then they also have another 20% off, so I got $4 off. Mixed reviews on this. Some people are saying it's not the right case, it doesn't fit, so let's put it on. I mean, serious drop protection with this Scout Series case, so let's just put it on the phone. I just got home. I've been gone all day. I haven't tried this on. It was in the backseat of my car the entire time. So I'm trying to, I don't know what this is, get this cleaned up so I can put it in the case and leave it in the case. Overall, just leave it in here. It's such a shame because this is a beautiful pattern on here. It's hard to see it, but there's a beautiful pattern on this phone, and you'd have to see it kind of in person. The camera I'm using doesn't do it any justice. So let's pop it on here and see what we're working with. And it in fact fits with no problems. It fits. It's got lip protection. Now, one guy said he has to keep, in the reviews on Best Buy, this guy said the left side always comes off for him, or that it's too big. And I can see what he's talking about, saying it's too big. But you have lip protection, because they have this listed to work with the MotoGPower international version. I don't know why that's so. I have a case for the G8 Power, and it's totally different. So the fingerprint reader is nice and open. You've got lip protection. If a case is looser than you want, then you put something inside of the corner, and it'll stay tight. Like you put it in the edge, like a piece of tissue or something like that, and it will stay tight. So if this case turns out to be too loose, then that's what I'm going to do. But it's feeling pretty good, man. This is one of the few cases, if any, that are out there for. Now you can look on eBay, and you will find cases for the MotoGPower. But here are the ports. Headphone jack is open. Looks like to me that looks pretty good. Headphone jack's open. Your microphone, your charging, and your speaker there. It's good. And then you have your microphone up top, a big cutout for the fingerprint reader, and the camera's deeply recessed now. Now the power button, it's good. It's good. I've heard mixed reviews on pressing the buttons, but yeah, this is good to me, man. I don't have a problem with this. This is nice, man. I actually like it too. Now, I heard that this case was slippery, so it depends on what you're doing at the moment, whether this is going to be slippery or not. If you put this on the right surface, this part is kind of slippery, but the sides are grippy along this right. It's even a different texture. You can kind of see it a little bit on video. This is it's like it's a grippy feeling on all the sides. So I'm feeling this. I'm glad I spent my $16 plus tax and got this. Thanks to the people out there that told me about the code 20 and then % off spelled out in words. This is fire now. I'm hoping to keep this in this case as long as possible. I got lip protection. I don't have a screen protector on here yet, but I probably will go ahead and get one because I don't plan on buying any more phones or cases for my MotoGPower, because this is a line that I actually use for phone calls and all kind of stuff. So this packaging is a little beat up. I'm suspecting that somebody might have returned this one or whatever. I don't know. It's just got fingerprints and stuff all over. The packaging is, you can't probably tell on video, but it's a little worn down, but nonetheless, I'm just going to toss this in the trash anyway. So feather light construction, oversized tactical buttons, soft impact resistance core. Yeah. So you got rugged, lightweight drop test protection. I mean, military grade drop protection. That's pretty doggone good. So let's pop it off real quick and just take a look at the case for just a second. In the inside here, you've got military standard 810G. I mean, that's the truth in itself right there. Let you know if you drop your phone, you should be protected. So if the case feels too big for you, for those that might have bought this and it might feel like it's going to fall off, put a piece of tissue or something in this corner and this corner, and you should be okay. And you'll be all right with it. So it'll be right nice and snug. But for me, I think it's actually pretty good. I'll see if I ever drop this, then I'll know what's up. But finally, I decided to go ahead and give you this video on this case, man. I talked about this video, this video and this case 2 or 3 videos back, like a 5 days ago, 3. I don't know how long it's been, but this is the case. It looks good. It feels good. It's totally worth it. So if you're going to buy from UAG, it's $30. But if you buy from Best Buy, it's $19, and then you get a 20% off code, which takes it down to $15.99. I'm feeling it. I's feeling it. I got to change my wallpaper. But man, I don't know. I'm excited about it. I am excited about it. The link to download this wallpaper is, if the link in the description to get this wallpaper is not working in the description of the video, go to Mopar Family Man on Twitter and you will see this wallpaper where you can download it. Just go to my media section and you can download it. But anyway, I'm showing you my OnePlus 8. I don't know why I pulled the wallpaper, I guess. But this phone is ready to go now. Hopefully I can keep this one for over a year like the other phone, my other Moto, without breaking it. This is the truth right here, man. I am feeling this case. I'm feeling it, son. I like it. It's your man, Jay. A little bit of a long video on a case, but my apologies. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I try to get as detailed as possible because there's definitely some questions around this particular case and you know what's going on with it, because there's not a lot of options out there. This, in fact, is the same case that UAG is selling. Why they're selling it for $30 and why Best Buy is selling it for $20 and with a discount $15.99 at Best Buy. Folks, buy this case right here if you have the MotoGPower. Enough said. Just buy it. You won't regret it.